And welcome to another video. I'm playing Failing Bird. I hate this game. It's basically Flappy Bird, but someone made an even worse version. Okay, it's even worse. Oh, come on. I don't know my high score. Oh, no! Oh, my best is 10. It's annoying because the bird like randomly goes up when you tap, so you don't know what's gonna. I can be different. Oh, I like sheepies. I'm gonna be a pink sheep. See that? Did you see that? If I left it, I would have died. If I touched it, I would have died. Can't you just be pipes? Seriously? I mean, this game's gay, like... And the time's gonna... This game sucks. If I went up, I would have died, and if I went down, I would have died because I died because I went down and didn't tap it because I would have died if I tapped it. I hate this game. I'm gonna delete it. You know what? I hate it. That's how much I hate it. I'm just no. Come on, game. Oh wow. You know, this game is so kind. 3 more minutes. That's all I can handle. Can't believe anyone will play this. And I thought I was smart. Obviously not, because I'm playing a stupid game. Wow, this is fun. Oh my god, this is so fun. Yes. Paywall. I hate this game. And you know what? This shows how much I hate this game. I'm gonna show how much I hate this game. Where are you, game? I'm gonna find it on my throat. But I found this stupid game. So what are we gonna do with it? We're gonna press X. Yes, we're gonna press X. We're gonna go down. We're gonna press A. We're gonna go up. We're gonna press A. Same with you, I hate Flappy. You know, anything that starts with Flappy I'm getting rid of. Unless it's one of you guys, of course, but... I hate this game!